Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to use and off auto rotate screen on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, here you have to move on setting. After you have been move on setting, here you have to scroll down. After that, here you have to click on display. Then only again you have to scroll down. Okay. Then on the down here you are going to find this auto rotate screen, and if you want to use the auto rotate screen, so you just click on this icon here. The auto rotate screen will be set successfully. You just move your mobile phone here and there, just move the screens. Okay, so it will be activated. And if you don't want to use this auto rotate screen and want to off it, just click again on this icon, and here the auto rotate screen will be off. Okay, so you can on off like this by this icon. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.